आवाज दबा रहे हैं। कमरू को बोलने दीजिए, ठीक है। राहुल गांधी को आप लोग पसंद नहीं करते, लेकिन अभी भी राहुल गांधी को एलओपी है ना, तो उनको उनकी पार्टी के प्रवक्ता को बोलने दीजिए। कमरू, you have been cornered, you've been isolated like in the parliament, like on the show now.
No. It's not a question of being isolation. I want to move out of the pack. That's a different issue altogether. But coming to your topic tonight, you said Yogi had compared the incidents in Sambal to Bangladesh to what Babur did some 500-600 years ago. Let me just state some simple fact out here. As a journalist, Dipti, what is the first reaction of any journalist is to visit the trouble-torn, let's say Manipur or Bangladesh, or let's say Sambal.
Yes.
How many journalists have been allowed to visit Sambal as of today? Can you please tell me? None. Nobody. When the LOP wants to go and visit the people out there, no, wait a minute. No, wait a minute.
Yes.
Now, when LOP Rahul Gandhi wants to visit the violence-affected Sambal, the police tries to corner him, does not let him go to Sambal. What exactly is happening in Sambal? Is it become a fortress? Is it the people out there, nobody knows what is happening.
Okay.
The internet is cut off. The same SP and the DM who ordered the killings of the people in Sambal are still there in their own post. They have not yet been transferred after, despite
you are sitting on national television,
committed in this.
You are casting aspersions on the police. You're saying the cops ordered these killings. Before I let Rahul give the final word on the show, I want to ask you one quick question. Very good points about Sambal and why Rahul Gandhi needs to visit Sambal. He should be allowed. I said this even yesterday to the BJP, that why are you making a star out of him? If he wants to go, let him go. I mean, let him go there, let him have his mohabbat ki dukaan. People will see doodh ka doodh, pani ka pani, like Haji ji also says. But Kamru, ek baat bataiye, what happened to Sandesh Khali? Why didn't Rahul Gandhi go there?
No, Sandesh Khali, the National Human Rights Commission, the NCPCR led by Mr. Kanungo, all the teams have reached in
why didn't Rahul Gandhi go? Why didn't Rahul Gandhi go?
Monitored probe is happening. West Bengal PCC unit visited Sandesh Khali out there.
Yes, but Rahul Gandhi did not. Rahul Gandhi did not, Kamru. That's the point. Because you are selective. This compassion, this concern is selective. Rahul Ishwar will get the last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds on the show. Rahul Ishwar.
Just listen to me one line. It was father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, the great Congress leader, that even skipped August 15, 1947 to bring peace to Bengal and especially to Bengal Hindus, and his Naukhali trip, which was literally the miracle of Calcutta. I really hope Sri Rahul Gandhi also visit Sandesh Khali. What is wrong in it? Give out a larger message. Mohabbat ki dukaan shouldn't be selective, right?
Rahul, you know the answer. It's the
all
vote.
communities.
It is the vote.
It's a positive thing. Let him come forward.
Vivek ji needs it. Haji ji also needs it. Kamru also needs it.
मुसलमान वोट से क्या सरकार बन जाती है?
अब आपको लगता है कि मुसलमान वोट से ही सरकार बनेगी?
Don't blame us for that.
आप लोग राम मंदिर नहीं जाते हैं. आपको अयोध्या नाच गाना नजर आता है. समय बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुका है. बांग्लादेश में आप हिंदूज को हिंदूज नहीं बोलना चाहते. But thank you, Charu and all gentlemen, for joining us. We head into a quick break.